I remember staring at my phone, watching another payment notification come in, but this time it felt different. No chasing sales, no tech, headaches, just pure, simple income. After years of trying and failing, I finally found a business that actually works. Let me tell you why I chose the Home Business Academy in 2025. Hey, my name is Brian Perisho. I'm a firefighter of 28 plus years. Wow, that's crazy. And like many of you, I have searched for a way to build real financial freedom online, something that I could count on for retirement. Let me tell you, I have spent years testing different business models. From forex, drop shipping, high ticket sales, MLM, you name it, I've probably tried it, and I probably lost money while doing it. And while I made some money, it never gave me freedom. I never was able to break away and get the freedom that I wanted. So here's the hard truth. I remember spending hundreds on ads for drop shipping store, only to barely break even. Every time I made a sale, most of the money went back to the suppliers and fees. And I was chasing time. I was losing time because most of the drop shipping stuff was out of China. So when they were open to do business, I was asleep and vice versa. So that was a struggle. Then I tried MLMs, thinking I'd found the right business. But every month, I was starting over, trying to replace the people who quit. It felt like a never-ending cycle. Kind of like at the circus where they spin the plates, and then you got to run to the other end to spin the plate before it falls over, and then run to the other side to spin the plate. That's exactly what it felt like. It was crazy. And then let's not forget some of the affiliate programs that pay crumbs. I mean, 50 cents per sign-up. I did the math and realized I needed thousands, like 6,400 people to reach my 3,200 a month goal, and that's just not attainable. So I found the Home Business Academy. At first I was skeptical, another online business, but the difference hit me hard. I made my first sale, and instead of pocketing change, I earned 80% commission, real money. And the best part is the people who joined stayed because they actually needed the tools. And this is residual income. There are a few things out there that pay 80% commission, but most of those are one and done sales. So once you make the sale, you never make any more money. You got to go find somebody else the next month to make the sale to. We're membership based. So in essence, when people purchase every month, just like your Netflix, your cell phone, your Hulu, every time people pay every month, we earn a commission, and it's 80% commission, which is just, I don't know anybody else that's doing it that way for a residual income. What was a game changer for me? I would have to say high commissions and retention, like I just said. Just with a handful of people, I was making more than other businesses that took me years to grow. Done for you, but customizable. So there's no complicated setup, no overwhelming tech, just plug in and start earning. And the community that actually cares. Most online businesses leave you on their own. I found this a lot with most of the master resale rights products. Now, when I purchased one, and I own multiple, but one of them, I had a great mentor. Her name is Steph. She actually still mentors me on my business. She does master resale rights. She has a community where she does office hours every week, and she actually guides people in the business. But most don't. In fact, the creators of that product don't even do that. So what I love about our community is Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, we actually have live training over the shoulder of 6- and 7-figure earners. Lasts usually about an hour and a half a day. Now listen, I recommend if you can make them, you go live, because that's where you're going to get the most information. And the co-founders of this company, the Home Business Academy, actually do Q&A at the end of every single one of them. So you could get live answers and talk with the co-owners, co-founders of the Home Business Academy Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every day. Where else do you get that? I don't know anywhere else. They do a mastermind on Monday nights for people that, work during the week and can't get there. So they do a Monday night. And then every Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we do an opportunity/orientation type of webinar where they go through what our system is, what our products are, how it pays, why it's beneficial, compare it to certain things like affiliate marketing and, just things like that so that people can understand exactly what we have to offer. And then they do a live Q&A again. So if you have questions, you can ask questions there. So imagine this. You bring in 10 people. With most programs, you could barely make $50 a month. With HBA, that's $1,280 in residual income, meaning you don't have to start from scratch every month. Like I was talking about how you have to go out there if you're doing a single sell and no residual income. You got to make a sell every month if you're going to make an income. Here we're actually growing a team of like-minded, community-based freedom crusaders is pretty much what we call ourselves. We're all looking for freedom. I've seen complete beginners make their first commission in days, not months, because HBA gives them everything they need to succeed. So what's your next step? If you're tired of chasing sales, struggling with low commissions, or feeling lost in business that doesn't last, then HBA is what you need. So click the link below. It's going to be down in my description. And if you just want to go straight to it, you can go to beginyourbiznow.com. So beginyourbiznow.com and see for yourself how this business works. It can change everything for you. I also have a copy of our most recent webinar, Saturday webinar, which is the orientation / prospective, so you can see exactly what everything is. If you'd like to see a copy of that, just send me a message, direct message, comment down here, and I can get that to you also. All right, I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great day.